this lesson, we're going to add integers using integer chips. A reminder, that's a positive 1, and this is a negative 1. And when I combine a positive and a negative 1, I get a 0 pair. That's really important for what we're about to do. So we're going to lay out our first number in integer chips. So I'm going to lay out 3 red counters. And then to that, I'm going to lay out 2 positive counters. If there are any 0 pairs, I'm going to remove them at this time. There's 1 0 pair, 2 0 pairs, and I'm left with negative 1. So negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Let's look at a new problem. Negative 3 plus negative 2. So I'm going to lay out 2 negative counters and 3 negative counters. Now students struggle when it's a positive or negative, knowing whether that second number is a positive or a negative. So if there's parentheses around it and there's a negative, it's more than likely a negative number. That's how you can tell. If there's no parentheses, like in our first problem, then it's a positive number. So I have negative 2 plus a negative 3. Are there any 0 pairs that exist in this problem? There aren't, so we just get to count how many chips there are, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red chips, which means negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. Let's look at this one. I have positive 3 plus negative 2. We see if there are any 0 pairs. There are 0 pairs. There's 1 0 pair. There's 2 0 pairs, and I'm left with positive 1. So positive 3 plus a negative 2 is positive 1. Let's look at our last problem. We have positive 2 plus positive 3. Are there any 0 pairs in this? There aren't, so we get to count how many chips there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chips, and they are yellow, so my answer is a positive 5.